Hello, what is your name? Hi, my name is Indu. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. What do you do for work? I am a teacher. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a brother. Where are you from? I am from Mumbai. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Are you married? No, I am not married. What day is it today? It's Monday. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? What are your hobbies? I like to cook. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoy exploring new places. Can I help you with anything? No, I'm good. Thanks. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Not yet. What's your favorite season? I like autumn. Have you ever been to London? No, but I would love to go. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. What's your dream vacation? I do love to visit the Maldives. Did you enjoy the concert? Yes, it was amazing. How is your family doing? They are doing well. Thank you. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I do the gym. What's your favorite movie genre? I like comedies. How do you relax? I watch TV or read. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite animal? I like dolphins. How long have you been working here? I have been working here for 7 years. Did you get my message? Yes, I did. When will he be back? He will be back in 30 minutes. Can I speak to Yadav, please? I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment. Is there a bank near here? I'm sorry, I don't know. How long does it take? It takes an hour. Have you been waiting long? Only a few minutes. Where do you want to go? I do like to go to the beach. Would you like to have dinner with me? Yes, of course. That would be nice. Would we have lunch together one day? With pleasure. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. What are you planning for after work? I am going to shopping with my friends. What's your favorite color? I like blue. How is the weather today? It's sunny and warm. What are you going to do tomorrow? I am going to go to the beach. Do you prefer traveling by train or plane? I prefer a plane. Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I have. I went to London last year. How many countries have you traveled to? I have traveled to 5 countries. Do you have any rooms available for the 5th of April? I'm sorry, we don't have any rooms available. How long will you be staying? I am here until the end of the month. What kind of room would you like? I do like a single room, please. Can I help you find something? Yes, I am looking for coffee. What's your favorite drink? Orange juice is my favorite.